The video was short yet very powerful pack to enhance your capabilities. And now you know how they differ and which one to use in your AI system. Alright, let's look at the two powerful concepts of AI. First is RAG, which makes your LLM to give you not only the outputs but the relevant and up-to-date outputs. And on the other hand, your AI agent, which makes your AI from just talking to actually doing. But do you know, most telecom professionals get confused at this point and they think if these both systems are competing or they are a part of one system. And what this new term after AI agent and RAG, that is Agentic RAG. Let's break this using real telecom scenarios. Let's start from the LLM, which is a base of everything. Think of a LLM like a fresher but a smart telecom engineer who has recently joined your team. Alright, and he has no knowledge of your network, he doesn't know your KPIs, he doesn't see your alarms. Right, so if you ask where is my network performance dropping, then he will give a generic answer, not the specific one which is for your network, because he is answering based on his pre-trained knowledge and trainings which he has in his memory, right? Let's go to the next one, which is RAG. This is the architectural upgrade in AI system which connects AI to your telecom data. That may be anything, whether it is network logs or your own documents like knock alarms, KPI trends, list of recent past incidents along with the RCA. Right. So now when you ask this time the same question, why is my network performance dropping? The AI doesn't guess this time. It retrieves the augmented knowledge which you have given these trends and past incident and RCA. So it will fetch these details first and then with its own knowledge, pre-trained knowledge, its own intelligence, it will give you the output which would be the relevant one, right? So remember, LLM has its own general knowledge, whereas RAG pulls the network logs and your documents before it answers you. I have already made a video. You can find the details in the description. Let's move forward. So now here comes the next one, which is AI agent. It moves your AI from answering or talking to doing and taking actions. So you can ask your this AI agent not to just answer you but to take the actions also, like find the current bad throughput cells, what parameters will help, and share the CRN with you. So what AI agent can do, it will check the dashboard, it will trigger optimization workflows, it will suggest parameters, and it will give the CRN where the parameters would be advised to change. So it becomes your digital RF engineer that has all the responsibilities right from analysis to suggest parameter and raising the CRN. And that's how it takes the actions too. Once again, I have another video on AI agent in detail. You can refer that and deep dive. Now comes the most important concept, which is Agentic RAG. This is where everything comes together. Instead of just answering or retrieving the data as the RAG was doing, or just taking the actions as the agent was doing, this system Agentic RAG does both, and that too with intelligence. Think of this scenario. If this time you ask, find the current congested cells, advise parameters, raise CRN, and check if there is any trend of site outages with RCA. Now the Agentic RAG will retrieve the data, will analyze, it will plan like load balancing or take the actions too. So this is not just AI answering, this is the AI thinking plus planning plus acting. Let's see which one you should go for. So if you want generic answers like list of 5G parameters to address the call drop, go for LLM. It will give you the details based on its own pre-trained knowledge. If you want not just answers, but the answers should be based on the fact from your real network, then you should go for the RAG where the relevant insights will be pulled out and will give you the answers based on those grounded facts. Next, if you want to set up some sort of workflow to take the actions It is an AI agent that will help you. It will not just chat, it will not just answer you, but it will take the actions too. Now, the last one, Agentic RAG. If you want everything, like you want answers based on your knowledge, your telecom logs, plus your planning and optimization docs, and you want to trigger the actions too, then Agentic RAG is the system which will help you. And this is where the industry is heading. So next time if someone says AI, do not think just the chat GPT, but think of this simple picture which I have created just for you, where LLM is at the center, right? So it's the plain vanilla where it uses the pre-trained knowledge to answer you. Make sense? Can this AI system access my documents? That is RAG. Can this system take actions? Means he is talking about AI agent. Or this system can do both with intelligence. Means that is agentic RAG. So that's the thought process you need to lead the telecom AI systems. The video was short yet very powerful pack to enhance your capabilities. And now you know how they differ and which one to use in your AI system. Take care till we meet in the next video.